Alright guys, so that was a fail. I tried to actually crimp my hair. I'm actually going to try to wand curl it. I don't think I can flip the camera right now. No, I can't actually, but yeah, I don't mind my room, but this is me. Yeah, I look rough, don't mind me. I just woke up, took a shower, blah blah blah. But anyway, yeah, as you can see, that was an absolute fail. You can't crimp this hair, and I put it on higher actually, but it's not taking. You see a little bit of wave. All right, so now I'm heating up the wand curler. I got it on like 20, like between 20 and 25. You guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm gonna let this heat up. The light blinks until it's ready, and then we're gonna see if we can wand curl it here. Test the iron on the hair to make sure it doesn't burn. Being this is synthetic blend here, if it do burn, like I'm gonna be so mad. I'm sorry for looking so ugly right now. I just woke up. Look at my forehead. Look,
could do way better than forehead.
Crazy. But anyway, let's attempt this, and if it looks nice, I'm gonna do the whole head for you guys. But if not, then this will be a fail video, obviously. Alright, hey guys, I had to come in with the voiceover. I'm not sure if I'm recording on my earpods or on my phone. But anyway, yeah, that's how it came out. It's like a loose wave, basically. I was babbling, so I wanted to come over with the voiceover and let you guys see. I actually kind of like it like this, better than straight a little bit. My room's dirty, don't look at it. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I used the wand curler on, I don't even know, it was like 25 or less than 25. I don't know if that's 250 or not, but this hair is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees, but I didn't want to tempt it because you know this hair can burn. So like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you test the hair, test a little curler on the hair before you even, you know, attempt, because I don't want y'all burning y'all hair off and then y'all blaming me. But anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.